Well, some people say it's bad to, I'm trying to crack my knuckles. I do that from time to time.
I have a bad habit of it, but a new study shows it may actually be a good thing, Art, so maybe we're okay. Researchers looked at the ultrasounds of 400 knuckles to find out exactly what's going on inside a joint that's being cracked. They found that people who cracked their knuckles had increased flexibility after doing it. That's because when you crack a knuckle, you pull apart two surfaces of the joint, and that brings down the pressure in the joint and allows the gas in the fluid to flow better. So there you go.